On your Quansheng radio, if you want to turn on your NOAA weather radio, there's a few different steps you have to do. This works with the K6 or the K5-8, which is basically the same radio, but just turn your radio on. Once it loads up, just hit function 5, and that'll switch you into back and forth in between your NOAA radio, which is, you can see here, you have your channels for NOAA. Click that up till you get a channel that lights up. That'll let you know that it's picking up a signal as you scan through. But no matter how high you turn the radio, usually you won't hear any sound with it. What you also have to do is this middle button on the side, click it. That'll actually turn the sound on to that channel. So if you click through the channels when you're in NOAA, even if you change the channels, you won't hear it anymore. So if I go to this next channel, even if it's picking something up, I still have to click this middle button on the side again. And you do that with each channel that you go to. So you can tell if it's picking up something by if your green light comes on, but just click the side button. And then I can pick up this radio. I'm inside the house, so it's not picking up terribly good. But also with it, you can set it up to where it gives you alerts. So if you go into your menu here, click menu and scroll down, up till you go around it to the back way, so you get up to 49 in the menu, and you can turn this on and off. So click the menu again, turn it on or off, and then back out of the menu, and it'll save it as it is. So with it turned on, you'll get alerts. So anytime you turn the NOAA radio portion on the radio, so just clicking it on and switching back and forth between a channel, your frequencies, and the NOAA radio by hitting the function 5, you can see the NO1, which tells you just NOAA channel 1. Like I said, you can't hear anything at all, but with that alerts turned on, anytime alert comes through, like a warning, flash flood warning, that sort of thing, it'll automatically start playing and you don't have to press that button. So it'll just basically run in the background. It won't take up much resources or battery use, but it'll, when there's a major incident, some major warning, it'll automatically start playing and you won't have to push that button. But if you want to just listen to the channel at any time, you have to select whatever your local channel is, hit this middle button.
This one has the potential to be the most
It'll work. A lot of people just don't know to press that button, and they think they're just not hearing anything from it. It's not working, but that's really all you got to do. So if this helped you out, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.